guys, I'm back with another video. Unfortunately, this one I don't have any props for because, well, I do have one. Got a Bissell hose. This is for the Bissell 2X Liftoff, and I just received a request for a tutorial, and I'm going to try my best to make this tutorial because I want to respond to this gentleman right away. This is from Michael, and you know, he thanked me for the video, which is appreciated. I appreciate that. So he has a Bissell 66E12 carpet cleaner, and the base suction is fine, but there's no suction in the hose tools. Bissell sent him instructions, but it was really just to take it to an authorized dealer. He said he's very handy DIY guy, and I want to know if I can make a tutorial on this issue. Now, so Michael, hopefully you listen to this this message here. This is what I can try to instruct you on when it comes to this, okay? And I'm gonna, hopefully I'm able to like put pictures up so I can kind of walk you through this with the what you have to do, but it's fairly simple, okay? Now, okay, remove the main liftoff unit. That's where the motor, your dirty water, clean water is, all right? Just kind of lift it off. Remove your dirty water tank. And in that section, you're gonna find at the top, the filter. You're gonna find a port for the suction from the motor, okay? Well, the suction from the motor is the filter, my bad. That port is where the water is gonna be sucked in, all right? It's gonna go into the dirty water tank. And then, but at the bottom, there's a square see-through glass lid. That's the suction valve. Most likely, if you have suction at the bottom of the unit and there's no suction at the hose, most likely that valve is stuck, okay? So I believe it's held together with two screws. Take out the two screws. You should be able to remove the cap, and just it may just need some cleaning. I don't believe there's any metal parts in there. It's plastic and rubber. So just try to kind of get that valve to loosen itself up, okay? Most likely that's the problem. Now, if that doesn't fix the problem, then somewhere in the system, the part of the hose that connects to the valve is maybe, instead of, let's say the port's here, maybe it's off, you know, something like that. So, because if you have suction, that means the suction is working, right? The motor is doing its job. A seal somewhere, connection somewhere is broken, unless your hose is clogged. What you can do with that, let me see. No, you can't do anything because the hose is connected. But try that. Try that. I was going to say throw a quarter in the hose, but you got to take the hose out first for that. So don't worry about that. But I believe that should solve your problem. So Michael, hopefully this video was able to help you with that. And again, I think I'm able to put pictures up to kind of walk through this. If not, I'll try back when I get one of the units in, because I don't have one on the floor right now. I literally would have to order a unit to have it so I can do the video, and I wanted to get the video to you as fast as possible. All right, so hopefully this was able to help you, Michael, and thanks for subscribing, and thanks for tuning in, and everyone else, you stay tuned for some more videos, and if you have any requests, feel free to send me a link, all right, or a question. All right, talk to you later. Bye.